Jai Gurudev student, I hope you all are doing well. In our previous class, we have covered addition, subtraction and multiplication of fraction. Now let's learn the next operation, that is division. Before taking our step into division, we should be aware of a term, that is reciprocal. Now, what do you mean by reciprocal? Or multiplicative inverse of a fraction means the inverse of a fraction. Let's understand with the help of example. I have taken here a upon b. So when we see a upon b, if I try to take out the reciprocal of a upon b, what I have to simply do is I have to convert this, or I have to shift this numerator as a denominator. That is, a as numerator become the denominator and b, the denominator, will become the numerator. So that means original fraction will be a upon b and the reciprocal of fraction will become b upon a. Now by the above, what we have seen is to find the reciprocal of a number, swap the numerator and the denominator. Now to understand it more clearly, we will see further that we have to take a note that two fractions whose product with each other is 1. Two fractions whose product with each other is 1 are called reciprocal of each other. Let's understand it with the help of example. Now find the reciprocal of, I have given here 3 examples. First is 3 upon 8. Let's try to understand this one. Reciprocal of 3 upon 8, which is equal to, here I told you as in the earlier, that numerator will become the denominator and denominator will become the numerator. So that means 3 upon 8 will become 8 upon 3. Now see the second example, which is reciprocal of 20. Now here, as we can see that 20 is a whole number, but we all know that every whole number has a 1 as denominator. So in turn, the numerator will become the denominator here and the denominator will become the numerator. That is 20 will become 1 upon 20. Now let's see the third example. If you see the third way, it's 3 upon 5. This is nothing but an example of the mixed fraction. So for mixed fraction, to find the reciprocal of the mixed fraction, you have to convert this as a improper fraction. So this will become 13 upon 5. So when, if I see the reciprocal of 13 upon 5 is nothing but 5 upon 13. So I hope it is clear for everybody how to find the reciprocal of the fraction. Now let's see the division of fraction. Here I have taken some example. Find. Find means you can see the operation is given here division sign. That means we have to divide this two number. Okay, let's see. Now before that you have to understand, note, to divide a fraction, that is the first fraction, by another fraction, that is the second fraction. Okay, we have to divide the first fraction with the second fraction. Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Children, you need to understand this. We have to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. This is what we are doing to divide it. Okay, now let's take the first example, that is 3 divided by 1 upon 2. Now as what this note says, we have to divide the second, we have to reciprocal the second fraction, and that we have to multiply with the first fraction. Okay, so now reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is nothing but 2 upon 1, as we have understood already. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply. So 3 into 2 upon 1, that is equal to, what we will get, we know how to multiply the fraction, that is become 6 upon 1, which term it will give you 6. Now let's see the another example. 2 upon 7 divided by 5. Okay, so again, as for the above rule, we have to reciprocal the second number, that is second fraction, that is 5. Now to reciprocal the whole number, what you have to do, we know as the whole number have 1 as a denominator, so we have to consider the 1 and we have to interchange the numerator and denominator, that will become 1 upon 5. And then same, we have to multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 1 upon 5. Numerator into numerator multiply, denominator into denominator multiply, you will get 2.35. Now what about the third one? Same here, only the difference here we have the mixed fraction, but already we have saw how to reciprocal the mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction, reciprocal it, and then multiply with the first fraction, that is 1 upon 8. If here you will able to, you can see I have cut it, cancellation already we have learned in multiplication. If it is possible to cancel the numerator with the denominator or denominator with the numerator, we have to cancel it. As you can see, in 2's table we get 6 also, we get 8 also. So 2 3's are 6 and 2 4's are 8. Okay, so 1 into 3 you will get 3, 4 into 13, that is equal to 52. So I hope students this video will make you clear how to divide the fraction. Thank you.